Hi there. In today's lesson we're going to look at the introduction to maps, and we're going to look at Ordnance Survey maps. Remember, if you'd like more videos, check out our website. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. So we're going to look at Ordnance Survey maps, and the first thing I want to explain is, what is a map? Well, a map represents a scaled down picture of reality. And on a map we use lots of symbols and colours to represent the real world. There's a few really important things that you must know when dealing with maps. And the first thing that we're going to do is scale. So scale is really, really important that you all understand what scale is. And scale is the link between the distance on a map and a corresponding distance on the ground. Okay, so scale represents distance. In most maps, a typical Ordnance Survey map, the scale might be 1:50,000. Okay, might be one that you might see quite a lot. And what this means in reality is that for every 2 centimeters on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. So 2 centimeters on the map equals 1 kilometer on the ground. And most maps are drawn to 1:50,000. So it means that 1 centimetre on the map is the same as 50,000 centimetres in real life. And that is 2 centimetres on the map is 1 kilometre on the ground. So in a typical Ordnance Survey map, you'll have loads and loads of boxes, just like this one here. And what you might have is, this box will be, if you measure with your ruler, will be equal to 2 centimetres. So what that means is, this box here, from here to here is 2 centimetres in the map, but it's actually 1 kilometre on the ground. So from that point to that point would be 2 centimetres on the map, it would be 1 kilometre in real life on the ground. The next thing, scale can be shown on a map, Ordnance Survey map, in 3 different ways. And you must know these 3 different ways. And the first way is linear. So it's called a linear scale. The second way is statement of scale. So statement of scale. And the third way is representative fraction. So representative fraction. Okay, and below is here you can see the 3 different ways. So A, B and C are the 3 different ways that scale can be shown on the map. The first one, 1 centimetre, represents 250 metres. This is called a statement of scale, where it's actually wrote. So in the map it'll always probably say 2 centimetres is equal to 1 kilometre on the ground. You've got the third way, the second way, sorry, is 1:25,000. That is a representative fraction, and this is when the scale on the map is stated in a ratio. And the last one is a linear, is when you can actually work out with your ruler the distance it is. Okay, so it tells you, most time in our maps from here to here will be 2 centimetres, and that'll say it'll be 1 kilometre. Okay, that's it for today's lesson on Ordnance Survey maps. It was just an introduction, a short introduction to Ordnance Survey maps, and we just looked at the scale. If you'd like some more videos on maps, please check out our website, examvision.ie. Subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find all the videos, and you can follow us on Twitter and Instagram.